properly. But again, the auto processing has done all that for us, so we just want to make sure it's been done. Here's the slices screen. Again, with AC or non-AC, we're looking at short axis slices, vertical longs, and horizontal longs. There are two ways to view this screen. So you can look at the non-AC and then flip to the AC. For instance, if you're looking at a particular spot, say perhaps here in the lateral wall, to see is there a difference between AC and non-AC, or we can put all of the images on the screen at the same time. And reorder them so that you can look at stress AC over stress and rest AC over rest. And there's a preference setting that it would default to this if that's something. So it just depends on how each site wants to read, but both of those options are available. We're seeing the rotating planar projections so that one could check and make sure there's no motion, but we also do automated QC of these planar projections. You'll see that down here in the bottom corner, and you'll see that it's yellow. So there's like a red, green, and a yellow. Green would be good, yellow is caution, red would be that there's a problem. If I click on that button, it will take us to the page, and it's telling us that there are some slight issues in frame 8, and you can see that there were some count dropouts at stress, even more count dropouts at rest, and it's just identifying that there are some evidence of gating errors because there are low counts in frame 8. In this particular study, this would not be worrisome. It's yellow, it's not red, it's just a caution. But again, it's done some automated QC while we're going through the process to assure that the study is of the best quality that it can be. This is also the page where you can begin to look at the polar maps in comparison with what we're seeing on the screen to see if what we see in the polar maps matches what our eye has seen from the visual analysis, and we can do it for both the non-AC as well as the attenuation correction. The numbers are a little small here. We'll talk about that in a second when we get to the polar maps page. We can also look at the blackout as well as the how the study was auto-scored.